On September 28, 2025, around 5 a.m., Peoria police officers responded to reports of multiple gunshots in the city's downtown district. When officers arrived, they found large crowds in the street and chaos unfolding near a local bar. What began as a shooting investigation quickly turned tense as several individuals interfered with officers trying to secure the scene.
Yep, I got it. 127. It's on its way. Move. Watch out, move. Get out of the way. Watch out. Stop. Get out of the way.
He's still breathing.
Move. I need in here. Move. Hey, I got. Hey, watch out! Get out of the way! Let the police get right there! Get out of the way now! You gotta move! Get back! Get back! I know, we gotta help him! Get back up now! Back up! Right now! Please get him! Get back! I would do it! Get him out, bro! Take him down! Get him! We need every car down here, man. Back up. We got them. We can't help him when you're on our ass. Get him. Say. Get back. Back up! They need to let the apple out. Back up, or we can't help your friend. Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me, bro. Get your hands up.
Give me your fucking tape and we'll stop.
We're not fucking dealing with this right now.
Oh, we're not dealing with it. We're not trying to put in handcuffs. Stand up.
We can't help him when you're in our face.
Got it killed, bro. Homie just got shot.
While Robinson works to secure one suspect, he directs Officer Gregory to back up the other officers struggling just a few feet away.
Get them! They need help!
Where?
Get back! Get back! Get back! I don't care! Get back! Get back! Get everyone back! You're gonna start getting hit! Get back! You're gonna start getting hit! Get back! Get back!
That's his brother! That's his brother! Neil!
Back up! I couldn't back! I'm throwing my... Get down! Get down! Get down! Back up! Back up! Back up! Give me your back! You don't get your foot! I didn't hit
shit. Hey, stop it, yo. Hey, stop. Stop what he's doing. Stop. Hey, please, stop him. Stop him, man. Stop him. Put your hands by your back. All right. Okay, bro, okay. Roll over. I didn't do nothing.
You me in the face.
No, I didn't, bro. No, I didn't, bro.
You think we can help your friend when you get
No, over. No, I didn't. I don't. Bro, I'm roll over. I don't know what's going on. I didn't, bro. I didn't. Yo, bro, stop it. I don't know what's going on.
We ain't got that cops.
No.
All of you.
No,
Get out
bro.
of our crime scene.
I know, bro. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Damn, bro, my fault. I swear. Bro, my fault. I told you back. No, my fault. I didn't. Bro.
Drag him out. Get him over by horse and we get a perimeter.
Okay,
Drag him.
I didn't know what's going on, bro.
Get him over here by everyone else. All right, help Harr. Get Harr back over here.
Help me out. I'm getting up.
You're gonna stay down.
I'm sorry, bro.
Roll that way.
I know. I'm getting up. Hey, bro, I'm sorry, bro. I didn't.
Step back. Move us out a little bit, Ward.
Hey, do you hear me? Hey, shoot, do you hear me?
I need you to stop.
I'm sorry. Hey, bro.
Back up.
Hey, bro, I'm sorry, bro. Hey, Elsie, I'm sorry, bro. You hear me? Hey, bro.
What?
I'm sorry, bro.
It's fine. It's not personal. We're gonna get it figured out.
I didn't mean
I want you to roll to your other side, okay?
I got you.
All right.
But that hurt my back. It's
Roll
hurting.
this way. Roll this way.
It's hurting my.
Roll it.
I got it's hurting. That's my fault, bro. I didn't mean to do you. I swear to God, I didn't mean that. I didn't see what's going on out here. I'm sorry.
You're gonna
bro.
stay right there. Roll to your right.
Okay, can you help me?
Go all the way to that car. Right there. Sit down.
I'm sorry, bro. I didn't mean that.
You're gonna stay right here.
I got you. Hey, excuse me. Anybody have a pepper?
With Gregory's suspect now in custody, attention shifts to Officer Watland, who steps in to handle the next arrest.
You need a
But why would you hit me like that?
You had my officer.
No, she had me. What the you talking about? Bro, stop dragging me. Why are you doing this? What's wrong with you?
After the arrest, Officer Watland discloses to his supervisor that he punched a female subject during the struggle. The supervisor acknowledges the use of force report.
Sergeant, I used force.
Okay.
I punched a girl in the face.
Okay.
Did she get arrested? It's Jesus.
Sam?
What's up? What's up?
Get up there. Get the people away from there.
Everybody get back! Get back!
Back up.
Get back now! Get back! Get back!
We're out.
Get back! Get back!
We have 50 people protesting. Cannot get handcuffed. That's no choice. We have state police en route. We have county en route. We have East Peoria route.
Get out! Get out! Go help him! Are you okay? Are you okay? All right, I'm gonna roll you on your side. You're gonna get your knees to your chest, okay? Get your knees to your chest. Knees to your chest. Get your knees to your chest. Get up.
I can't. I don't feel my legs.
All right, get him
I
up.
can't feel my legs.
All right. You better get back.
Man, y'all back, 'cause I ain't even do nothing to y'all. Die, bro. I'm just trying to make sure y'all save him, bro. I ain't violating now one of y'all goofy.
Shut up. GSW over there.
Oh, my
Get
I can't feel my legs.
shit to deal
I
with.
can't feel my legs.
Get up.
I can't feel my legs.
You walk this whole way. Get up.
I can't feel my legs.
Get
I've been
up.
drinking. I can't feel my legs. I've been drinking. I can't feel my legs.
Get in the
I can't feel
car.
my legs.
Relax.
I've been drinking.
Listen. Listen.
Record me.
We
I'm
will
gonna take you
get
to the hospital. I can't
We'll
feel my legs.
We'll take you to the
I
hospital.
can't feel my legs. I can't feel my legs.
You're not taking him home.
I can't feel my legs. I can't feel my legs.
What did he do?
I want to go to the hospital.
You're going to go to the
I
hospital.
can't feel my legs.
Come get him then.
Let them not kill me. I can't feel my
I can't feel my legs. He can't feel his legs.
For fighting the police.
Get up. Get back. You're going. There's still more going on. We need to secure him.
No, I don't.
Police, I can't feel my legs, bro. I've been drinking all night. My little brother just got killed. Y'all dragging me.
You just walked here.
I don't know how I got here.
You just walked over here.
My little brother still just got killed. I don't know what I'm doing.
I just brought him
Call the
up
police.
here. I walked him over
They
here.
cannot drag you.
All right, get him in
We
here.
need to secure that. We
I know, get him in. Get in the car. We'll get you.
I can't feel my legs.
We will get you an
I
ambulance.
can't feel my legs, bro. I can't feel my legs.
Get in the car. Get in the car now. All right. You're gonna get tased. Yeah, that's right. You get in the car. Get in now. Get in now. Oh look, your legs work. Oh look, your legs work now. Hey, this needs to be locked.
Well, I'm going to be right downtown. People on the cameras are running in different directions. There are a few more cars.
Where exactly are you at downtown?
They're all running from the cameras and like in front of the IOT facility in Diesel in the Neon Bison area.
Right from the Neon Bison area.
They're out.
Well, I know what car right now. If there's any more information, any calls, yeah. We're getting the car right now. Trying to get more information. Stand by. I'm gonna follow this car for a second. I don't hear anybody yelling from where I'm at. Just some people standing around. Okay. That's gonna be clear. It's like a gunshot victim at Main Monroe. We have medics and fire en route. Yeah,
After 7.
four-door sedan, north on north, circling the terrace. Trying to catch up to that, but it up yet. Cars my way, the rest of the cars downtown. Okay. Suspect vehicle possible by a four-door sedan, northbound north.
We're going out the door.
28. Sheridan. His name. I'll be with 11 in a second. That's the center, Red 11. 10-4. Who's going out with 1? 11 still north through Nebraska. Up to McClure now. Still trying to catch up to might be supposed to be right now. Vehicles to northbound, passing Nebraska, coming up from McClure. Which cars are out with Adam 1? Car backs out, not sure. Boy, 10 Losey traffic. Left and cut west, I think it was McQueen. We need more cars at Fulton and Maine. Boy, 21 route. Boy, 21 route.
We need a car down here now.
We have cars en route to you. We need cars at Maine and Monroe. They're fighting. All cars start en route.
21, move the north car south.
All north cars go south.
Boy 21 out.
Boy 21 out.
Boy 21, keep those cars coming.
All cars keep going. Maine and Monroe. We got state and county en route.
One, we have about 50 people crowding us, and we cannot get him help. Send more cars.
We have state police en route. We have county en route. We have north cars en route. We got East Peoria en route as well.
Pick it up. Boy 21, start deploying pepper ball.
We need cars, pepper balls.
21 is crowd control. Get down here for crowd control.
We need cars for ground control. 6:15 up. 10-7.
Do anyone with pepper ball out here?
Anybody have pepper ball?
29 has pepper ball on the ground.
29 has pepper ball.
It's a Christ 15 ambulance.
We have an ambulance at Maine and Globe.
For a female, I can't go.
Understood. We have one station. Let them know. I-15, where'd you need them to meet you at?
Leave them at Maine and Monroe. Oh, Perry, sorry.
10-4.
29 I'm on scene with pepper ball.
29's on scene with pepper ball.
Boy 21, I need some of these cars moved so we can get these cars out of here.
We need cars moved out the way so we can get the other cars out.
21, go ahead and return it.
Batch normal prep 1, 457. Batch normal prep 1, 457.
Butterfield, lock the car.
294. Whoever's got 591, if you come back to your car, we.
Well, that's 591. Go back to his club, please.
23, who needs an ambulance?
Maine and Monroe for Miller can't walk.
24.
Be advised the 3rd ambulance for Maine and Monroe has a 25-minute ETA.
22, I think we're just one.
Sorry, you're good on what?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, starting to get it under control.
Yeah, I'm gonna have them go around. Yeah, what's up?
15, you go to Peoria, Maine. Cars from Maine, we have a second gunshot victim that showed up at OSF. Cars from Maine, the suspect vehicle that dropped off the gunshot victims, the Chevy truck with no front plate, back plate.
34 not Maine.
22. Anybody with somebody in custody, we're gonna meet on Main in front of the library with Watland.
By the end of the incident, 6 individuals were taken into custody as officers worked to regain control of the downtown scene. 2 people were wounded in the shooting, 1 remains in critical condition. This video is shared for educational and documentary purposes to show how law enforcement responds under pressure. If you'd like to see more verified body cam releases and real-world police responses, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Stay informed, and stay respectful in the comments.